show us slow. And all they said was, no, they said was, South Central dancing like no. Bad boy.
Give me all the chicken heads from Pasadena to my...
So I saw that apparently KFC's top secret confidential recipe has been revealed to the public. Do I believe it? No, I do not. I don't believe it. But apparently it tastes like KFC. So naturally I did used to love KFC and I was tempted. I was like, let me try and make this without the chicken because I don't eat chicken. So today I wanted to share with you KFC's top secret recipe veganized to make a fried plant-based food. I was a bit like, what should I make with it? What kind of food should we do with it? I was like, I could do chips, I could do a burger, but it just sounds a bit boring. And then I remembered there is something that little old Rachel has never, ever tried. Chicken and waffles. I have never, ever had the combination. I have been to America and I've never had it. I've been to a chicken and waffle place and I haven't had it. So I was like, you know what? Let me try KFC's top secret seasoning, fry it in some plant-based food and serve it with some waffles and some maple syrup. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to share the recipe with you. I'm going to taste test it, let you know if this is legit or just someone just saying I have a recipe and it blew on the internet, which I feel like that is exactly what it is, but we will see. I will give it a chance. So let's get straight into this video and I really hope you guys enjoy it. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel Amma. Make sure you are subscribed and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you are here for it. So for this recipe, I'm starting off with plain flour. Then I'm adding some pink salt, followed by some basil, some thyme, some oregano, some dried mustard, which I had to mash together myself, some celery salt, some white black pepper, garlic salt, paprika, onion salt, black pepper, ginger. I believe I said it all, but I will list it. And then I just mixed it all together to combine it. And then for my cauliflower, I'm just going to take apart the leaves. And I want to kind of keep the cauliflower whole, so I didn't want to break it apart too much. I wanted to experiment with making kind of like burger shapes first. So I just kind of sliced them up to get these big pieces of cauliflower. And then I wanted to make some little cauliflower bites. So I also cut and sliced some smaller versions. And then for my wet mixture, I've got 1 cup of chickpea flour and 1 cup of water, and then I mix it together. I just find that the chickpea flour makes it combine a lot better. So then to my pan, I'm going to heat it up with some organic avocado oil. And now I'm just going to get my cauliflower all up in the mixture. So I am going to double dip. So I'm going to start off in the wet batter, move to the dried one, move back to the wet one, and finally in the dried one again. I kind of feel like the cauliflower has no flavor. So if you're going to cook some cauliflower fake chicken, you need to double dip, otherwise you're not going to get all the juices and all the flavors. So yeah, we're just double dipping out here to make sure it's nice and tasty. Then I'm just going to slowly put my cauliflower bites into the hot oil and just rotate them around so I get each side cooked. And I don't know about you guys, but in my opinion they were looking quite like KFC. And then this is how they all came out. You can see the big piece of cauliflower and the little pieces. I feel like the little pieces kind of work better. And guys, it looks like chicken. I'm only going to taste test the first batch. Whoa. So to make my waffles, I'm going to use some oats and I'm going to ground it so I can make an oat flour out of it. And then I'm just going to add it to a bowl. And roughly speaking, I usually do half the amount of plant-based milk to how much flour I use. So I'm just going to add some baking soda, some coconut sugar, mix it all together. And then I realized that I didn't have enough to make enough waffles and I didn't have any more oats left. So I added some normal flour, which is annoying because I wanted to keep it gluten-free, but whatever. And then I just added a bit more milk to kind of balance out the texture. For waffles, I like to keep it nice and thick, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to add it to my waffle iron, leave it for a couple of minutes, and then we have our nice, soft, slightly sweet waffles. So I'm just going to add my waffle to the plate and pick my piece of cauliflower. And I don't know about you guys, but this looked like chicken, which is insane. And then I'm just drizzling my maple syrup on top for that effect. And I also went in with some spring onions just on the top. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So let's try this chicken and waffles. Well, not chicken and waffles. Let's try Kentucky Fried Cauliflower and Waffles. Yes, that is what we're calling it. I don't even know what to expect. I'm trying to understand it as a meal, and I have to say, I am actually enjoying it. The chicken is a bit peppery, and it's got that crunchy, crispy, seasoned outer layer. And then inside, you've got this soft cauliflower. Yeah, inside you've got this like soft cauliflower, not mushy, soft. And then you've got this like sweet, soft waffle with maple syrup. I understand it, and I'm actually here for it. I mean, it's not chicken and waffles, it's cauliflower and waffles. I feel like some people do put hot sauce on this as well. Let me know if I'm correct. If you guys have been following me from the beginning, then you know I'm not that good at the hot stuff, I'll be honest. I'm adapting, I'm learning, but I'm not good with really hot food. I got sensitive taste buds, what can I say? I don't think it tastes like KFC. I don't. And I can't compare it to KFC because I'm definitely not going to go to KFC and buy any chicken. No, thank you, not interested, no way. You have to double dip. If you don't double dip, it's not worth it. The smaller the cauliflower, the more you're obviously going to get that surface area of crunchy, crispy outer layer. What I would say is I don't feel like I'm getting any nutrition. So for me personally, I love eating food that I can kind of see the nutrients in it, see the color palette, know what vitamins I'm getting. And when I look at this, I'll be honest, I don't feel like I'm looking after my body as such. But every now and again, try something you've never tried before. If you've never tried chicken and waffles and you're vegan, I would definitely recommend that you try this recipe. And if you want to try cauliflower fried chicken, definitely try this recipe. And also in America, I think the thing that's popping is Popeyes, not KFC. I think KFC kind of fell under. Let me know if I'm wrong, I'm not sure, but I think it's all about Popeyes. But technically it's not because they use raw chicken. The day that Popeyes uses meat replacement and doesn't use animals, then I would be interested. Got a good bit of batter there. Let me know in the comments, is this something that you would make? I want to know. I just made a preview of what I'm doing to upload it on Instagram TV. What do you guys think about Instagram TV? I'm a little bit confused by it, I'm not gonna lie, because I don't really know what to do on it. Is there anything that you guys want me to do specifically on Instagram TV?
For tomorrow's episode, I've just made some vegan chicken and waffles. Recipe had been leaked, and I was a massive KFC eater. Stay tuned for Sunday.
Rachel tried vegan fried chicken and waffles for the first time in her life. I do like it. I do enjoy it. Will I be eating it every day? No, I won't be eating it every day. But on a really random occasion where I might want to celebrate with friends and be like, hey, want to try some chicken and waffles that are vegan? I'll make them some chicken and waffles that are vegan. This is new to me. This isn't something I'm professional in. Chicken and waffles is not my profession. Try something new. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you do try the recipe, do let me know in the comments. If you eat chicken and waffles, vegan chicken and waffles, let me know in the comments how you eat it or your history for eating it behind it. Is it something that you ate growing up? I would just love to know out of curiosity because it's not like a normal thing in the UK. So, you know, teach me. I'm here for it and I enjoyed it. I feel like now that I've just eaten chicken and waffles, I need to balance it out with some like fruit or some vegetables. Like this pineapple has just been staring at me and I feel like my mouth is dry and I need to just devour this pineapple. I'm gonna say this and you guys are gonna get so sick of me saying it, but I feel like this recipe, it just needed a little bit of coconut bacon and some plantain. Yep, I said it. Let me know if you agree with me, or maybe it's a recipe that I'm going to create later and share with you guys and you guys are going to love it, who knows. So thank you guys for interacting with me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you enjoyed the recipe and you enjoyed cooking with me. Every little thumbs up really helps me. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already and hit the notification button so that YouTube lets you know when I do upload a video so you can check it out if you want to. Every Sunday you can find me here on YouTube with something new. Bye for now. Bye.
Until make no money and life show us slow. And all they said was deliver DJ and Paul was his name. He came up to money, this is what he said in the dash. Oh, I'm buzzing, to dancing like no. I'm the
lyrical